Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world mga paps. So this time Papa is in the washroom and he's fixing the toilet. So yan mga paps, this toilet has a water leak. So what we're gonna do is need to replace the toilet gasket mga paps. Yan. We need to replace the toilet gasket and also replace the 3-bolt and put 2 rubber washer up and down. So yan mga paps. Let's go mga paps. Let's fix the water leaking under this toilet tank. So I found out that the water is coming from those 3 toilet bolts that are attaching to the toilet tank and the toilet bowl. So those 3 rubber is maybe loose. So now we need to shut off the water and remove the flexible hose and also that plastic nut that attaching or connecting to the water tank. Toilet tank is out now and this bolt is the one that need to replace mga paps. So we're gonna replace the brand new one including this toilet gasket. Ayan, the red gasket, we're gonna use that. If you can see, that black one is uneven or not in a good shape, so we need to replace also. And if you can see, there's a bolt that there's a rubber washer. So now we will gonna put rubber washer inside the tank and another rubber washer on the bottom of the tank. Then we will lock it using the stainless nut. Yan mga paps, if you can see, there's a rubber washer on the bottom of the tank and also rubber washer inside the tank. So make it sure no leak happen again. And also, as I said, you need to replace that toilet gasket to make it sure that no water leaking again. Ayan mga paps, if you can see, put 2 rubber washer on side and the bottom of the tank to make it sure that the holes is sealed, so no more leak happen again. So the water is leaking on that bolt before, because there's only 1 washer. If you can see, only 1 washer, only it's inside the tank. So now I'll put 1 washer inside. Yan, that one, those 3, and another 1 washer on the bottom of the tank. So the hole is already sealed mga paps. Yan, with the lock nut mga paps. Then now I'm installing or connecting to the toilet bowl. And for the lock or lock nut that I'm using to connect the toilet bowl to the toilet tank, so I can use hand tight only mga paps. I will not using another wrench to tighten. So I'm using only a hand tight. I will gonna press the tank going down, yan, like that. See, I'm pressing the toilet tank so I can tighten using my hand tight only mga paps. Yan. So yan mga paps, hopefully some of you guys get an idea how to fix the water leak or how to find the water leak in your toilet tank. So first I check the connector, the water connector, and I found out that the leak is coming from those 3 toilet bolt that I already replaced mga paps. So yan, it's already tight. So as I said, I use only a hand tight. And now I need to connect the water supply, yan, the flexible hose. Then after that, I will turning on the water to check if there's water leak or if my job is 100% na no more leak mga paps. So yan, turning on the water. Yan, Papa is turning on the water. So now it's starting peeling. Ayan mga paps. Ayan mga paps. Water is spilling. Then, in a few seconds, you'll gonna see if there's a leak mga paps. But I guaranteed 100% to 100% na no more leak again because I already replaced the tank gasket. I replaced the toilet bolt with the 2 rubber washer, top and the bottom. So yan mga paps, at hopefully you guys get an idea how to fix or how to find the water leak in your water tank. So first, you need to check the water connector. Ayan, Papa is cleaning it because this toilet is very clean. So as I said, you need to check first the water connector, then the 3 bolt, or there's a crack in your water closet or your water tank mga paps. And please subscribe to my channel sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, and please click the notification bell para updated pa kayo sa mga i-upload ko pang video. So yan mga paps, at linis-linis muna si Papa. As I said, napakalinis nitong toilet na to, nakakaya naman sa may-ari or the owner or the tenant. So yan mga paps, thank you very much for watching, and I love you all. Bye-bye!